On a 2026 Kia Niro, here's how you change the cabin filter. Start by getting into the glove compartment and make sure that the glove compartment is empty. What's great about this job is you don't need any tools for it. Look for this damper arm on the side of the glove compartment. You could use needle nose pliers, but if you pinch very hard to close those in shorter, then this arm will come off. I need two hands to do it. Okay, so I used two hands and then I pushed from behind and it popped off. This will tuck in out of the way like that. Then the only thing keeping the glove compartment from coming down is these two stoppers on each side. You're gonna take your hands, one on each side, and push in on the sides of the glove compartment, and then those will fall out of the way. See how it's flexing like this? So again, I need two hands. Sorry for the camera angle. And there they've popped out. And then that exposes the door to the cabin filter. And the way it's designed is wonderful. You don't need any tools for this either. That right there on the right side, you will simply pinch that. So you pinch that like this, and then the door is on hinges. So watch this, the door opens up like that. That's a hinge right there, but then it comes right out. And then there is your glorious cabin filter. So that just pulls out almost like using an old school CD-ROM. I'm going to put an affiliate link in the description to purchase the proper cabin filter for the 2026 Niro. When you get that in the mail, you take the new filter. Obviously this filter is brand new, by the way, because this is a new car. Look for the words airflow down and then that down arrow. That means that you put it in right side up is being able to read it. So you'll put the filter in just like this. It's like putting a VHS. I don't know how old you are if you ever used VHS, but it's like putting a cassette in a VCR. And then you take the door and you put that back on. So the hinge goes in the left and then the door swings shut and it will click shut. Perfect. Then the glove box will go back up. So now you have to push each side. You have to flex the walls of the glove box back in. So you can't see it, but my right hand is doing that. And then it will click up into place. And then now the glove box is almost fully back to normal. One last step. Take that damper arm and pull it out. And then push it back on the rod until it clicks. Boom. And you've completed a cabin air filter replacement. Congratulations. If you have any questions, put them in the comments.